jungle. 6 days a week is way too much. I'm gonna make the great escape, go on a little getaway. I'll go get my beat up motor, start it up and head for the green of endless countryside, and go somewhere I've never been.